everyone, Extreme Crypto, the iBot, the bot that's trading on your behalf. So discover how to earn more with the iBot. We're going to go through the iBot since it had a few updates, a few small changes, and see how it's been performing and talk strategy. The strategy will be my personal strategy. So do your own due diligence and develop your own strategy because I'm just doing what I feel works for me. So looking at the iBot, when we get into the back office, the first thing that changed is when you're looking at your bot settings. Now they have this nice setting, which is saying we still got 282 days left of our 300 days. Why put this in? Well, you only get deducted a day if the bot was trading. If there's any days which the bot is not trading, those days won't get deducted from your total 300 days. So when you buy your subscription, you're getting 300 active bot trading days, which in my opinion is a great benefit. They were down for the last 10 days doing the upgrades and updates, but before that, my earnings stood on $20 according to the iBot's calculation. The next option is your budget, stop loss, and limit. Now you can put your budget from $15 all the way up to unlimited depending on which package you're using. My stop loss, I have it at 95%. The reason why I'm putting my stop loss at 95% is the fact that the bot is trading crypto against crypto. And that's another update they've brought in. The bot is not just trading Cardano against BTC anymore. It's also trading Polkadot or DOT against BTC and BNB or Binance Coin against BTC. So my stop loss is at 95%. I don't see any of these coins ever dropping back to 95%. So if the bot opens a trade and the market goes the wrong direction, it can leave my sell limit orders there. I'm willing to wait for it to come back up and need profit again. The limited is the amount of trades it can do. Now, a lot of people say you can only have 200 trades on Binance, but I'll show you now I got more than 200 trades open. So I've put my limit on 100, but I'll probably move that up as time goes along. The next benefit of the bot is the fact that you're connecting your API keys to your Binance account. So your funds are safe and will be trading crypto against crypto. Your iBot will do the work on your behalf and they can't touch your funds. Now let's go and have a look. The last few days since the bot has been active again, what has been happening? Getting to Cardano, the first coin. If we look and put in the first week, the last week, we can see Cardano hasn't done any trades for me yet. It might have been that I'm been out of funds because I'm going to use a strategy where I'm feeding the bot X amount of money once a week. The reason why I'll be feeding the bot is it's still a little bit too aggressive for the kind of funds which I would like to put in. So I'm going to use it as a long-term strategy by just feeding it and investing in it weekly until my 10 months is over or 300 days is over. Then I'll renew my package and I'll just keep on feeding it. So looking at Cardano, we're not seeing any trades the last week. When you go to Polkadot, as you can see, currently I got 3 active trades to sell limit orders. We go to our order history for the last week. We'll see we got quite a few buys. So that's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12 buys. And we got 3 sell limit orders in. Let's see the last week. How many sell limit orders has gone through? None as yet. if you look at my amount of Polkadot available, we can see surely there's still some sell limit orders that needs to be placed. But the reason why I'm saying is I'm going to feed the bot is if you look at this, just today, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dot trades. And for the kind of funds which I'm willing to put forward, I just feel that's a little bit too aggressive for my style. And that's the main reason why I'm going to use a strategy where I'll be feeding the bot. Yesterday, we calculated to see if we can actually do it again. Let's get to these orders and let's see 0.5 go down to the 0.5s. As you can see, the 0.5 orders that's been limited. Let's put them in the last three just to get an indication what kind of profits the bot is looking at. 3 orders in. Go. That's the last three 0.5 amounts. So let's put them in and see more or less what kind of profits we're looking at. Give us an indication of what the bot is doing. Before the upgrades, the bot were averaging around 1% per trade. So now let's readjust it and see if the upgrade changed the profit you'll be making per trade. Just want to get an indication of more or less. I've calculated it. Try and get myself an indication. I'm going to do it the same way I did it for me. Now, if we look at these two buy entries were similar. And as you can see, the sell orders are similar. This buy order and sell order. Now let's just see what kind of percentage we're looking at. 2.49. You can more or less pull it down exactly like that. And you can see 2.6 on this one. Put it down a little bit more. 2.5. So from what I've seen with the current trades, the profit per trade has been pushed up as well. Instead of averaging around 1%, it looks like the bot is currently aiming for something plus minus 2.5% per trade, which is decent profit and it makes a lot of sense and value. The only negative part for me personally, the fact that the bot seems to be aggressive. So I'll stick to feeding the bot once a week, giving it the X amount of money to work with, and make this a long-term investment. The second thing is the lowest package to buy is $250. So make sure when you get into the iBot, you get in with an X amount which is affordable to you, but do gives you the opportunity to make at least your package amount back over 10 months. Now let's go to BNB and see. BNB currently has the one sell order open. Buy order, the latest buy order went through also today. Look at BNB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 buy orders just today. Trade history over the last week, just put it back to see, it's been 4 buy orders. So it looks like a decent setup and buying opportunity. Got 4 buy orders that went through, but that's just today, sorry. The last week, been busy, quite a few orders. Profit I've calculated, and it's a similar entry. Let me see if I can get, when was this buy order placed? Yesterday, 20. 10 to 9. Go back to trade history. Should have been this trade. Put it in and let's see which indication of profit we see on this one. There's our buy entry. Yesterday's trade, which is already have a sell limit order available. As you can see, also around the 2.5% mark, 2.72. So looking at the iBot, the structure is there. For me personally, it's a little bit aggressive. So I won't put all my funds available at once. I'm going to be feeding it gradually once a week and let the bot just run and work for me. I'm seeing the iBot as a long term investment and not a quick rich opportunity. It's trading crypto against crypto. So it will increase your crypto if the market goes down and you will devalue, but you're not losing unless you close a trade in a minus or you're selling your crypto for a minus. This is a bot that can work on your behalf. Just make sure you do your own calculations and estimate a decent amount to work for you over the 10-month period or the 300-day trading activity. Leave me your thoughts, comments, and concerns down below. Let me know, what do you think about the iBot? And remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great one.